What's going on with the truckers? All day today, there was just backed up traffic on the I-65 in Indiana. And guess what? Sergeant Glen Fifield just said 5 minutes ago that it just reopened. So, mother truckers, if you feel safe, you feel brave, and you need to get through, it is open now. All lanes are open. I know it's been an issue all day. We were wondering what was the issue, and this was what the sergeant said. I don't want to say it sounds like an excuse, but Indiana, we got to get the ball rolling, and we got to get better, man. I'm saying, because we got to get salt on the ground. Whatever we got to do, we got to prepare. We know these things are happening. Maybe I'm talking out of turn, but this is what the sergeant had to say about that.
The roads are snow covered. The salt is just not working with the cold temperatures. And like I'm sure you guys talked about yesterday, we were not able to pre-treat the roads just like over in Illinois with the rain that we had and then the ice. So it's a no-win situation right now. We're doing the best we can. I know INDOT is out plowing the roads.